Cal, where are you going? Careful, you're going really fast. Are you watching where you're going? Hi. Are you Whoa! Are you watching where you're going?
Get up.
Come on, big girl. Good girl. Good girl, go.
Callie, go grab that ball from them.
Don't listen to Dad. Good girl. What's that? Leave it. Leave it. Leave it.
No. Can I have that? Can I have that?
Thank you. What's on your hand? She smiled. Home base.
Go up there. You can go up there. You want the steeper one? Go up that one. Oh!
Okay? You okay?
You okay? Get up! Get up! Get out! Big girls
Oh,
walk.
now she's like, I'm gonna crawl.
Big girls walk, Callie.
Good girl.
Big girl.
Not even fixed. That's what we said. You're at the park?
You wanna play softball with them? Outside the farm.
Good find.
Oh, dang.
Who are you trying to give that to? Big girl. Go, Cal, go.
There they go. They found my finger.
She just wants to hold your hand, show you stuff.